Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be starting a new series called Pro versus Am. We're going to be picking up random local amateurs, or possibly people out of town that are visiting, to come challenge me to a one-game match. They're going to be choosing a handicap, whether I got a ball two-handed, with a house ball, left-handed, whatever it may be. They get to choose and try to beat me for a game. All right, today I have with me local amateur superstar, Brian. He's also a Twitch mod, a Discord mod, so come hang out with us on Twitch and Discord, link in the description. Brian, what's my handicap gonna be?
Two-handed style.
Two-handed.
Yes, sir.
All right, he thinks my two-handed sucks. He thinks he can beat me. Let's get it.
All
right, Brian, so I'm gonna give you some practice shots, and I'm gonna sit here and visualize my two-handed victory.
Okay.
Do I have to shoot my spares two-handed too?
Yes.
All right. It should be okay, because I won't leave any 10 pins, because that's why you bolt two-handed, right? Extra power, snap the 10.
Yeah.
Easy money.
All right.
All right, have at it.
Go ahead, bro. On this way? You're good. On that way.
I don't have a legal ball to throw. I have a thumb in it. Oh, he's dust. I got him. He's dust. All right, Brian, I'm gonna give you all the power in the world. I'm gonna let you choose whether you go first or second. And I'm also gonna give you the option to hit your ball with some surface, because yeah, didn't quite look the greatest. So if you wanna hit it with some surface, maybe a little 500 action, I'll let you do that.
No.
All right, man.
Yeah.
I'm winning for sure now.
Yeah.
All right, choose. First, second.
I'll take second.
Oh, you want the pressure? I like it. I like it. It's not a sanctioned match. I know I have a thumb hole in here. Illegal balls for the win! Oh, God! That wasn't that bad for how bad it felt. My balls go a lot straighter two-handed than I thought. Am I allowed to play mind games, like just stare at him while he's on the approach? It's too early for this. I'll let you bowl. I don't even have to play mind games. I'm just gonna stand here and look pretty. Oh! You guys want to know why Brian's in this video? Because he hit the red button, hit the follow button on Twitch. He's also a sub, and he takes care of the community on Discord. So, we love Brian. But right now, we don't love Brian. We're going to beat his ass. Well, there's a 9 out. Yeah, that's pretty good. I'm getting pretty good. Rate my two-handed performance out of 10 in the comments, please. Oh! I'm a strong believer in speaking things into existence, and I did just that. There's your opening, Brian. I gave you an early one. Oh, that looks okay. Never mind, I'm like a blind person. My 9 outs all of a sudden looks pretty good. Come on! I hate this. Spares are easy. Spares are easy. Oh, shoot. All right, a little scoring update after 3. Ewok, aka Brian, up by 9. What he doesn't know though, I got some strikes coming. Balls and hook! I think I need to figure out my PAP two-handed, drill some two-handed balls. Might have to make the switch soon. Oh! I threw that one thinking it was gonna overhook, and it did the opposite. I didn't say when the strikes were coming, I just said they were coming. Give me some time, I didn't get any practice. He's got 2 swirly things on his head. I got 2 swirly things on my head. He made an adjustment! Oh, that's bad count on the spare. Man, what a spare this would be. Does it have a chance? Oh! Scared me a little bit. I think I gained there. That was a little bit of a gain, I think. Kind of want to change balls, or I wanted to, and then it flagged the head pin, so I don't really want to anymore. I don't know how I need my hand to sit in the ball for it to not track over the pin. That's over the thumb. I just can't figure this thing out. That wasn't it, guys. The pin's just too close to my track. Hook a little. We're back in the game, baby! Neither of us have thrown a strike yet. This pattern must be really hard. Oh, that looks close. Ish. Ah! Well-spirited match. You know, for me missing 2 spares and him only missing 1, this match is really close. Get the count, kids, get the count. Okay, I'm making the ball change. Maybe my hand needs to tilt a little more. Full roll, embrace the full roller. Hook a lot. We'll be okay. We're not gonna be okay. I swear, guys, my two-handed game's better than this. I think we need to request Don to put out some easier patterns for us. There's a lot of right side shim, a lot of left side hook. All right, Jesse wants a strike. He's getting a strike right here. These layouts just aren't helping me out very much. I mean, I'm literally tracking. All right. Jim! Dude, why does it hook so much when I throw it there? It doesn't hook at all when I get it going to the right. Oh my goodness. I might not break 100. I need to get them all and he needs an open. Oh, urethane? No way, okay. Throw it upside down? I don't know if that's gonna make it better. Did I hear that correctly?
Yeah, you did.
Upside down? Wait, I want to see it roll correct one time. This is it. It's shaped a little bit. We got a chance. Oh, why is it wider than the canal of a canal? I just, why? My ball hooks more going the other way. We're breaking out the Simo backup ball. I might not break 100. Some professional bowler I am. Brian, the magic number is 149. 149. Oh, that might strike. The first strike of the challenge. Don, can we get a different pattern out? This doesn't help me. Oh my God, guys, that was so good. That's what I should have been doing all along. Ah! 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 This is actually the opposite of what I said. There are a lot of strikes coming, and now there's no strikes. Give me a chance. Let's go. Actually, I think I'm almost out of wood. Oh, now he's just BMing me. All right, he actually gave me a chance. If he does that again and I strike out, I can win. That's what happens when amateurs get cocky. We're still alive, baby. Come on, give me one! You don't give me the one in the ninth. I swear, the two-handed game's better than this. I promise. We're gonna have to run this one back one day. One day. It won't be close. Maybe? Yeah, if you hit it with that 500 pad, I think you would have had the nuts. You would have shot 270. I just don't win challenges on my own channel. At least when there's no money on the line. I'm an action bowler. What can I say? All things considered, the score looks kind of close. I threw a gutter on a spare. I missed a lot of makeables. I'm gonna have to make Brian work a little harder in the next video. All right, good game, good game. Wasn't even really a good game.